Hi there, this is Penelope. This is question 12 in a series of short videos, MG5004, DE5418 for test 2 2020. These are suggested answers. Right, here's the question. Find the position of the centroid. You have the formula. Might have been an idea to give it a quick sketch. So 5x minus x squared. That's going to be like that. So it just gives you that, you're looking at that kind of area there. So just using your formula. And putting in what you've got. So this didn't really need much work. Now, as a side calculation, you can work out that the bottom line is 125 over 6, and that the top line would be, once you've integrated it, would be that. And again, number crunching will give you that that is 2.5. Use the formula again to find the y coordinate of the centroid. And remembering again that the bottom line you've already found. And take the top one out. You need to do a little bit of algebra for the top line because you've got to find the square of 5x minus squared, 5x minus x squared. So make sure you do that properly, and then once you've done it, then you should be looking at putting in your limits into here. Doing the number crunching, and bingo, 2.5 again. So the centroid is at 2.5.